This video shows you how to create an account, make an appointment, and cancel an appointment with the VCC Learning Centre. Open the VCC website, click on My VCC. Sign in with your VCC student email, which is your 9-digit student ID, then at student.vcc.ca. Click on Next. Enter your VCC password. Click on Sign In. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone and enter the number shown on the screen to sign in. On the VCC homepage, click on the Library tile. On the Library page, scroll down to the bottom and click on Learning Centre. On VCC Learning Centre homepage, click on Make an Appointment. To start, you need to create an account. Enter your 9-digit student ID. Enter your VCC password. Click on Login. Enter your first name, then your last name. Enter your 9-digit student ID. Check the I agree box. Select yes or no if you have approval for a sign language interpreter. Enter your phone number. Click on Create Account. You have successfully created an account. Log in again. Enter your 9-digit student ID. Enter your VCC password. Click on Login. Now book an appointment. Click on the Schedules tab. You can make an appointment in the following categories: English, academic coaching, math, science, business, or computer help. Let's book an appointment for English. Scroll down until you see a white spot. All the colored spots are taken. Only the white spots are available for booking. There are two types of appointments: online appointment or face-to-face appointment. Let's book a face-to-face appointment. Click on a white space. Here's the appointment you've selected. Note the date, the time, and the Broadway location. Scroll down and click on Create an Appointment. You have successfully created your appointment. Click on Close. Your appointment will appear in orange color. Let's book an online appointment. Click on a white space. Note the date, the time, and the online location. Scroll down and click on Create Appointment. Note, you're only allowed one appointment per day. Click on Close to cancel. To check your appointment confirmation, click on My VCC Students Dashboard tab. Click on the email tile. Check the I consent box, then click on Submit. Select your VCC student account. Enter your VCC password. Click on Sign In. On your phone, open the Microsoft Authenticator app. Enter the code on the screen to verify. This is your Microsoft student page. Click on the 9 dots and select Outlook. Your VCC student emails are stored here. Check your Learning Center appointment confirmation email. To cancel an appointment, go to the VCC Learning Center page by clicking on the tab at the top. Click on the orange block. Click on Cancel Appointment. Click on OK. Click on Close. Now the slot changes to white. To check the cancellation email, click on the Mail tab at the top. Note your appointment cancellation email. Now you know how to book an appointment, cancel the appointment, and check your Learning Center emails.